Oh, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Kelby back with another video. And today I'm gonna be just doing some doing some random stuff, and I'm gonna be showing you inside some of my slime. So yeah, guys, will be just showing you my slime. So, yeah. As you guys can see, made some pretty cool slime. See, look, guys. It's really stretchy. Like, look. It's funny, guys. So, sorry, guys. Covering the camera. Just had the slime in my hand. Sorry, it was upside down there. Sorry, guys. Yeah, guys, here's my slime. I'm gonna be just setting it down. Welcome back inside some more Fortnite Battle Royale. So yeah, it's gonna be putting it right there, the camera, right there. Look at this, guys. Look, zoom in on there. I'm gonna turn the brightness up on here, on my camera, so you guys can see me a little bit better. See my face? Yep. You can see me. Oh crap, guys. Hold up. Put this down. So yeah. Comment down below if you think I should be start posting every day, and I will start. Okay, so yeah, this is my room. I'm gonna be getting a new bed soon. It's gonna be pretty cool. Let's see, look, it stretches so far. I'm about like good slime. See, look, make. Look how far that stretches, guys. It's pretty cool. I'm probably not going to do a drawing, unfortunately. Sorry, guys, about that. But we'll see. We'll just see. I'm just going to be... And if you guys want to hear some poking sounds, yeah. See, look at this. It's like my third or fourth time making slime. And this is like small slime. Just say little. And it's kind of sticky, but it's whatever. And yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna be, and let me get close so I can, so you guys can hear this sound. See, look, here's my slime. There's it right here. I'm gonna stretch it. I'm gonna pop it. Like, it's gonna make popping sounds. It's gonna be very satisfying. Yeah, guys, I think I could call this ASMR. Yeah, and comment down below what color I should change my slime into, because it's just like, you guys can see, just plain glitter slime, and I use clear glue for it. So look at this. Inside some more Fortnite Battle Royale. So yeah, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. So right, guys, watch this. Ready? Ooh, that felt. You guys hear that? Did you hear that, guys? That's pretty cool slime. So yeah. And here's my slime. And I'm just gonna be playing with it for about 5 more minutes, maybe. So yeah. And as you guys can see, it's see-through. See, look, when I stretch it, it's pretty see-through. Kinda. See, look. You guys can see me? That's me, bubble. Oh my, I just got this everywhere on me. But not on my floor. So I'm lucky. Hey. Lucky Bachi. So yeah. And ooh, see, so guys, if you want me to look how shiny that is, because I use clear glue, and when you get air bubbles in clear glue, it's so shiny. Looks like white on the camera. See, look at this, guys. It's like pearl slime right now. Did you guys hear that? You're gonna want to hear this one. Make sure everything's clean. It's very potent slime. I would recommend you use headphones so you can hear the full effect. Yes. Look at this, guys. If I hold this up really close, look, it's like pearl. It's like crazy. Guys, I just threw this at the camera and it landed direct. Like, watch this. Sorry, guys. I put the slime down again. Okay. Gotta turn the brightness up again. That's what happens when you fool around with some slimes of wonder. Boom, 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 ba-dum, 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 ba-da-ba-ba. Comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment that you subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out on the next video. And yeah, I'm not gonna end it though yet. I'm gonna go do something real quick, and I'll be back. I'm back, guys, and I'm gonna be coloring it. Markers, red and pink. My slime is here. I'll color it. So here's a pink. And then red. Alright, I'm gonna mix it. You can't really see a color change, but see a little bit. Not really, but tiny bit. Okay. It's not really doing much, so I'm gonna go get a different color. We're back. I got this pin. Oopsie. so cool, guys. Yeah. So I have here slime that was once clear, but is now black slimes. Let's see if it can still be clear. Which, oh guys, it's still good. And I just got all the crap on my toothbrush of it. It's like, wow, that's crazy, guys. It's okay, it's just a little ink. I'm pretty sure I can just go and wash my hands. So, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below your subscribes. I'll give you a shout out at the end of one of my videos. Peace.